only kicked once, and once was enough. That is the brutal thing about fast tools. They do not need repeated mistakes, only one moment where force gets ahead of control. The donkey professor watches the worker lean into the cut with a handheld grinder, posture set, gloves on, noise loud enough to feel normal. This is how dangerous tools disappear into routine. They become familiar before they become safe. The wheel bites, catches, and jumps, not for long. Just one violent recoil, one surge of torque, one split second where the machine changes direction faster than the body can react. And that split second is where hands get opened, wrists twist, faces get struck, and people learn too late that PPE is not a force field. The professor stops the moment and points to the details that built it. Worn or damaged disc, poor cutting angle, unstable footing, weak grip, body positioned in the kick path, and sometimes a guard treated like an inconvenience instead of a design control. Then he strips away the most common illusion. Gloves help with friction, abrasion, and minor contact, but they do not cancel mechanical force, rotation, or the physics of a wheel that suddenly redirects energy into flesh. This is why tool safety starts before the trigger is pressed. Disc condition, correct wheel type, firm stance, controlled angle, proper guard position, and body placement outside the recoil path. Those choices decide whether a snag becomes a scare or a surgery. The donkey professor delivers the rule without comfort. Never ask protective equipment to do the job of setup, control, and respect for force. Because when portable tools go wrong, they go wrong fast, and the hand always loses the race against spinning.